Hey everyone, I'm Said from the Quantum Byte channel, and I'll be taking you through addition and subtraction. So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to master what addition is all about, also subtraction. Now this is what we are going to cover tonight. We are going to clearly define addition and subtraction, learn the key symbols, that is the plus and minus sign, know how to use the inverse operation tricks, and also practice a lot of problems. Now, what is addition? So addition is all about putting numbers together in order to find a bigger total, just like adding 2 biscuits to another 3 biscuits in order to make a larger biscuit. So it's all about putting numbers together to find a bigger total. Now, for example, if you have 2 apples and you add 3 more apples to that 2, the total is going to give us what? Let's try it. Don't mind my drawing. You have 2 apples and you add 3 more apples, so the total is going to give us 5 apples. So it is all about putting a smaller number to another smaller number in order to make a bigger number. Now the symbol you use for addition is the plus sign, and the answer is called the sum. So when you add a number to another number, you use the plus sign to denote addition, and the answer is going to give you a sum. So let's try this. 4 plus 2. You have 4 biscuits and you add 2 more biscuits to the 4 biscuits. The total is going to give you 6. So this 6 is what we call the sum. So here is another metric, the commutative property. What the commutative property is saying is that the order in which you add your mathematics, in which you add your numbers, doesn't matter. You can decide to add 2 biscuits or 2 apples to 3 apples, or you decide to add the 3 apples first, then add 2 biscuits. The answer is not going to change. That is, the order in which you add your numbers doesn't change the sum. That is what the commutative property is all about. Now, what is subtraction? What is subtraction all about? It's all about taking away or finding the difference between 2 numbers, just like your daddy giving you 5 biscuits and him asking you to give your sister 2 out of the 5 biscuits. So it's all about taking away or finding the difference between numbers. Now, you start with 5 apples and you take away 2 apples. How many apples are you going to have? You have 5 apples. Don't mind my drawing. And then you take away 2 apples. This apple is gone. This apple is gone. How many apples do you have now? You have 3 apples. So when you are adding, you are making the number, or the sum is going to be a very big number, or when you are subtracting, the difference is going to be a smaller number. Now the inverse operation. Use the inverse operation to check your answer. We all know that addition and subtraction undo each other. When you have 5 take away 3 to be equals to 2. Now the inverse operation is saying that when you add the 3 to 2, it must give you this number. So that is 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. That is what the inverse operation is all about. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below the math topic you want me to cover in my next video. Thanks for watching.